Welcome back, friends. Today we're going to create a very popular effect that looks like a splatter effect. So I'm going to come on over here to Elements, and I'm going to place a photo on my workspace. And I'm going to start by removing the background for this photo. Now, if you don't have background remover, no worries. You can just go to Apps and you can search for background remover. They're free and you can use them and you can continue on with this tutorial. But we're going to go into Edit and we're going to go to this app called Tracer app. So I'm going to click it. And we're going to choose the black and white output mode. And I'll say trace image. Now it's going to have a little slider that is going to allow you to optimize the threshold for the photo. So you can slide it back and forth to get the right amount of black-white contrast. I'm going to decrease the contrast slightly. And I like it like that, so I'm just going to say add to design. All right, so here is that design right here. I'm going to take this photo and I don't need it anymore, so I'm just going to get rid of it. I'm going to take this design and using the crop feature, I'm going to crop it. I only want the head, so I'm just going to crop everything else out only because I want to be neat and tidy. Okay, so here it is right here. Let's make that a little bit larger so that you can see it like that. We're now going to go over to Edit and we're going to use Duotone and we're going to change the color of this graphic to a different color, and you can choose any color you like. I'm going to choose this nice mystic pink color. If you don't see a color that you like, you can always go into custom and make your own color. So there it is right there. We're now going to go over to Elements and we're going to search for some splatter. And you can use any one of these graphic elements. Just remember that you'll want to be able to change the color. So I'm just going to place that right there on top like that. And I'm going to make a couple of duplicates. Now you don't have to use the same splatter elements. You can definitely use other ones as well. We can just put that up there like that. Let me make a copy of that and we can put that down here as well. We can use something like this too. I'm going to flip that one so that it's like that. And we're now going to change the colors of the splatter to match that hot pink color. So I'll grab one, I'll go to the color chooser and I'll go to the custom add a color, and it's got an eyedropper. So I'm going to click on that eyedropper and I'm going to move it over to the pink right here, and that will change it to the same color. And I'm just going to copy that style of color and I'm just going to apply it to the rest of those splatter marks so I don't have to go back all the time. And there's one more thing left for us to do. Now we have obviously the face is covered, so it's not a very nice effect. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to Position and Layers. We're going to take those splatter marks and we're going to move them behind the face. That's the first thing that we're going to do. We're now going to go back to Elements and we're going to place a shape on our workspace. It can be a circle, it can be a square, it could be anything, so long as it's going to place a white background on the face portion. So I'm going to change this to white, and I'm going to go back to position layers, and I'm going to move that shape right behind the face like that. So now it is 100% white. Now, one thing to note is that this isn't going to be transparent. Remember, we've placed that white shape in there. So if you want to make it transparent, download it and then re-upload it into Canva and remove the background. That will make this part in here transparent. So you can take this image and place it on a t-shirt or anything else where you want it to be transparent. Now, I do have a favor to ask you that if there's anything else that you want to see, or if you like this tutorial, let me know in the comments. That helps me to know whether I'm creating a content that you want to see. If you like the tutorial, if you learned anything in this tutorial, press that like button, subscribe, and turn that notification bell on. All right, for now, I'm going to say bye-bye until next time.